Hello everyone. Let's start today's class with triangle. Let's understand the meaning of triangle first, then we will proceed to the components of triangles that we must have to understand, and then we will continue with exercise 4.4. So let's start with the meaning of triangle first. A triangle is a closed figure formed by three line segments. Triangle is a closed figure that is made up of three line segment. Okay, एक ऐसा closed figure which is totally formed by the line segments. So we are having three line segment, and when we are joining these three line segments we will obtain one closed figure. That closed figure is known as triangle. Here you can see we have taken three line segments AB, BC and CA, and when we join all the line segments we will obtain a kind of triangle. One more thing here is pairs of line segments. Here we have pairs of line segment have common endpoints. Whatever the pairs we are obtaining here, like pairs of line segments means AB and BC, BC and CA, CA and AB. These are the pairs of line segments. They are having common endpoints. Suppose here we have AB and BC. This is the two pair. This is a pair of line segments that I am having here, and it is having B as a common endpoint. And suppose I'm taking BC and CA. This is a pair of line segment, and here we are having common point, that is C. Then we are having CA and AB, so we are having the common point, that is A. Okay, so this is the common points of the line segments. Now let's understand the sides of the triangle. So here we have, if I'm talking about the sides, so we are having the sides like AB, BC and CA. These are the sides of the figure. So I'm writing here AB, BC and CA. So we are having three sides of a line segments. Then come to the vertices. In this figure we are having three vertices. First one is A, B and C. Okay, these are the three vertices that we are having in the figure A, B and C. Now let's understand the opposite side and opposite angle of the figure. Okay, so here you can see, if we talk about angle A, vertex angle A, okay, if we talk about vertex A, then we are having the opposite side, that is BC. It is just opposite to this vertex. Which side is opposite to the vertex A? That is BC. And if we talk about the vertex B, that is the opposite side of vertex B is CA. And if we talk about vertex C, the opposite side of vertex C is AB. So these are the opposite sides. Now let's understand the sides that is opposite to the vertex. So here you can see AB is the opposite of vertex C, then BC is the opposite of vertex A, and lastly CA is the opposite of vertex B. Clear? Now let's take the interior and exterior of a triangle. Here I'm marking some more points. This is treated as X, and here I'm going to treat as Y. Okay, so here this X point denotes interior of the triangle, जो कि एक ट्राइंगल के इन लाइन सेगमेंट्स के बीच में क्लोज फिगर के इंटीरियर में है, बीच में है. दैट पॉइंट इज नोन एज इंटीरियर ऑफ द ट्राइंगल. एंड वॉट एवर द पॉइंट इज outside the boundary of the triangle, this is the boundary of the triangle, and the point that is outside the boundary of this triangle, that point is known as exterior of the triangle. Okay, and one more thing, triangular region, whatever the interior part of the triangle as well as the line segments that formed a line, this triangle, both if we add the interior portion as well as the boundary portion, that is called triangular region. I hope you have understand all the concepts of the triangle here. So let's start the exercise questions. So here we have exercise 4.4, and the first question is asking points A, B and C are collinear. Can they form a triangle? That means if we talk about a collinear points are those points which lie on a single line. Suppose I'm taking one single line here, एक लाइन सेगमेंट ले लेते हैं, उस पर we are having three common points. Okay, that is A, then B and then C. These are collinear points. So can it make a triangle? क्या एक ट्राइंगल बना रहा है? According to the property, we must have three line segments and we have a closed figure. But here we are having only one line segment. In this question, we are having only one line segment. So it will not be able to make any kind of triangle. So the answer is no. Second question is point A, B and C are non-collinear. हमें कहा गया है पॉइंट ए बी सी आर नॉन कोलिनियर. सपोज आई एम गोइंग टू टेक पॉइंट ए, देन पॉइंट बी एंड देन पॉइंट सी. दीज आर द नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स. इफ वी ज्वाइन ऑल द पॉइंट्स, अगर हम इन पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन कर देते हैं, विच टाइप ऑफ फिगर वी ऑब्टेन हियर? वी ऑब्टेन a triangle here. Okay, that means if we are having three non-collinear points and if we join all non-collinear point AB, BC and CA, then we will get a triangle. So the answer of this question is triangle. Okay, so let's proceed to the next question. Question number 3. Here we have, how many triangles can you see in the given figure? Name them. Here we can see, I'm going to stretch the diagram. Okay, here you can see triangle 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles तो बहुत आसानी से दिख रहे हैं. Then look at this now. Triangle ADB, fifth. Then BDC, sixth. Then ACB, seventh. Then ACD, eighth triangle. So we are having 8 triangles in this figure. So let's write its name here. One by one I'm going to write. So I'm going to take the first triangle, that is this one, triangle AOB. Then triangle AOD. Then triangle DOC. Then triangle BOC. I have taken these triangles right now. Okay, then next triangle, triangle ABC. Okay, then I'm going to take next triangle, that is triangle BCD. Okay, then we are having next triangle, that is triangle ACD. Then we are having next triangle, that is ABD. How many triangles we have got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. हमने बताया था आपको 8 triangles हम लोग को मिल रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Okay, I hope you have understand this question. Next question I'm going to take, that is question number 4th, and in this question we must have to write the name of sides, vertices and the angles of the given triangle. So here we have the triangle and the sides that we have to take. These are 3 sides, PQ, QR and RP. We are going to write its sides here. So first, the sides that we obtain, that is PQ, QR and RP. These are the sides of this question. Okay, let's take the next part of this question. In this we are having vertices. We have to tell the vertices now. So the vertices of the questions are P, Q and R. Okay, now we have to tell the angles. Okay, I'm going to write its angle now. So angle is angle PQR, or we can write it as angle Q. Okay, then second angle we are having angle QRP. We can write it as R also, because R is at center. Okay, then next angle is angle RPQ, or we can write angle P here. So these are the sides, vertices and angles of the given triangle. Let's move to the next question. In question number 5, in the figure mention the triangle in which A is a vertex. We have to mention the triangles in which A is the vertex. A क्या होना चाहिए? Vertex. हमें वो सारे triangles बताने हैं जिनमें A क्या है? Vertex है. So here we can see triangle AFE. एक ऐसा ट्राइंगल बना है जिसमें A क्या है? वर्टेक्स है. और देखते हैं कौन सा ऐसा ट्राइंगल बन रहा है. सेकंड ट्राइंगल हमारे पास जो आया ABE, ट्राइंगल ABE, and one more triangle we are having here, triangle ABC. In all the triangles we are having common vertex, that is A. एक ऐसा vertex है जो इन तीनों triangles में आ रहा है. Clear? Now let's move to next part of this question. Now we have vertex B. We have to give the name of the triangles which is having vertex B. ठीक है, B vertex होना चाहिए. So B is here. Okay, so now we have to take the triangles which is having the vertex B. So here we have the triangle BDF. Okay, second और देखते हैं और क्या है हमारे पास. Then triangle BDE, and then triangle BCE, and one more triangle we are having, triangle ABC. So we are having 4 triangles that is having B as a vertex. Let's move to the next part. Now we have to tell C is the vertex. अब हमें वैसे वो triangles लेने हैं, उन triangles के नाम लेने हैं जिसमें C क्या है? Vertex है. So I'm going to take C is here. So the triangles that is having C. So C B E. The first triangle is this. Second triangle is C E B, and then the triangle is A B C. So all the triangles is having C as a vertex. Let's take the next part of this question, that is D part. Now we have to tell D is the vertex. So D is here, and the triangle that is having vertex D, that is triangle DEF. Then triangle BDE, and then triangle, this is BDE, and then we are having the triangle EDC. So we have made 3 triangles. One more triangle we are having, triangle BDF. So we are having 4 triangles that is having D as a vertex. Okay, let's move to the next question, that is question number 6. Now I hope you have understand question number 5. Now question number 6 is asking, mention the sides opposite to angle A, angle B and angle C in triangle ABC. So I'm going to draw a triangle here. Yes, here I'm having the triangle and I'm going to write its vertices now. So I'm taking A here, B and C. Now we have to tell the opposite sides of angle A first. So this is angle A, and angle A का opposite कौन है? BC. So angle A का opposite कौन सा हो गया हमारा? BC. Then angle B का opposite we have to tell. So this is angle B, and angle B के opposite में कौन है? AC. नाउ एंगल सी, एंगल सी के अपोजिट में कौन है भाई? एंगल सी के अपोजिट में हमारे पास है ए बी. सो दीज आर द अपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ एंगल ए बी एंड सी. लेट्स प्रोसीड टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Okay. In question number 7, mention the angles opposite to sides AB, BC and CA of triangle ABC. This is a triangle ABC. ABC. Now we have to tell the opposite sides of triangle AB. Sorry, opposite angles of sides AB, BC and CA. हमें क्या करना है? Opposite sides जो है AB, BC, CA के उनके opposite angles बताने हैं. So this is AB. सो ए बी का अपोजिट एंगल जो होगा दैट इज एंगल सी. देन बी सी, बी सी का अपोजिट एंगल क्या है? ए. ठीक है. सो बी सी का अपोजिट एंगल क्या हो गया? एंगल ए. देन वी आर हैविंग अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ सी ए. सी ए का अपोजिट एंगल हमारे पास क्या हो जाएगा? एंगल बी. सो दीज आर द अपोजिट एंगल्स ऑफ द साइड्स. नाउ वी आर हैविंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. In this question we have to just tell the things. We have to identify the points now, and identifying the points, I'm going to identify the points. So in this question, in the given figure identify the points on a triangle ABC. ट्राइंगल ABC के ऊपर कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स आ रहे हैं? तो ट्राइंगल ABC के ऊपर हमारे पास एक तो A पॉइंट आ रहा है, देन R वी आर हैविंग, देन B वी आर हैविंग, देन N वी आर हैविंग, देन C. दीज आर द पॉइंट्स विच लाई ऑन ट्राइंगल ABC. ट्राइंगल ABC के ऊपर, ठीक है, कौन कौन से हमारे पास आ रहे हैं? A, R, B, N एंड C. Now B point. In the interior of triangle ABC, we are having 2 points that is in interior, that is P and M. Then we are having in the exterior of ABC, exterior में first one is Q, then L. These are the exterior points of this triangle. Then we are having in the triangular region. Triangular region का मतलब मैंने आपको बताया था interior portion plus boundary portion. So on interior portion we are having P and M, and at the level of boundary A, R, B, N and C. These are the points which are lying in the triangular regions. ठीक है, triangular regions के अंदर ये सारे के सारे points available है हमारे पास. So here is the answer. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 9 now. It is asking draw a triangle ABC and mark points X, Y, Z in its interior and triangle PQR in its exterior and LMN and O. ठीक है. So firstly I am going to draw a triangle. हमने एक ट्राइंगल को ड्रॉ कर लिया. Now the question is asking about these things. First we have to mark XYZ in the interior. ठीक है, हमने XYZ ले लिया इंटीरियर में. पहले हम ट्राइंगल ABC लिख लेते हैं. ट्राइंगल ABC वी हैव. नाउ इंटीरियर में हम लोग लिख लेते हैं X, Y एंड Z. आई एम टेकिंग 3 इंटीरियर पॉइंट्स. हमने 3 इंटीरियर पॉइंट्स को ले लिया, X, Y एंड Z. देन PQR इन द इट्स एक्सटीरियर. हम लोग PQR को एक्सटीरियर में लेते हैं. PQ एंड R. आई हैव टेकन PQR एज एन एक्सटीरियर. नाउ L, M एंड N ऑन इट. इसके ऊपर दिखाना है तो L हम दिखा देते हैं, M दिखा देते हैं और N दिखा देते हैं. सो हियर इज़ द कंप्लीट फिगर विच इज़ हैविंग इंटीरियर पॉइंट्स, एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट्स एंड पॉइंट्स दैट इज़ लाई ऑन ट्राइंगल ABC. Okay, next question is question number 10th. We are going to take question number 10th now. So in this question, name all the triangles in which P is interior. I am going to zoom in this question now. Let's zoom it. Yes. Here we have name all triangles in which P is the interior point. P interior में हो ऐसे triangles के नाम हमको बताने हैं. So here first triangle we are having DEF. Okay. सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट हियर ट्राइंगल डी ई एफ जिसमें पी हमारा इंटीरियर है. देन वी आर हैविंग डी ई ए, triangle DEA. In this we are having P as an interior. Then we are having next part. Wait a minute, I'm going to rub it. So I'll explain by drawing. Okay. Next is triangle DEC जिसमें P हमारा क्या है, इंटीरियर है. और कोई ऐसा ट्राइंगल इन विच वी आर हैविंग P as an interior? I don't think so. We have another triangle. We have taken DEC, then DE हमने ये भी ले लिया, ये भी ले लिया. 3 triangles we are having in which P is the interior. Okay, let's proceed to the next part. That is Q is an exterior point. हमें अब बताना है Q exterior में ऐसे हमको triangles बताने हैं जिसमें जो Q है वो किस पे होगा, आपके एक्सटीरियर में होगा. सो हियर वी हैव ट्राइंगल दिस थिंग डी ई एफ. हमने ट्राइंगल डी ई एफ ले लिया. इसके एक्सटीरियर में हमारे पास पॉइंट क्यू है. देन अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू टेक द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, नेक्स्ट ट्राइंगल. लेट्स टेक ट्राइंगल दिस. इसके बाहर है आपका क्यू एक्सटीरियर. सो ट्राइंगल ई ए एफ इज़ द एक्सटीरियर ऑफ क्यू. क्यू हमारा एक्सटीरियर है इसके. देन हमारे पास और ट्राइंगल्स हैं. दिस ट्राइंगल, इसके बाहर भी क्यू क्या है, ये बाहर का पॉइंट है, दैट इज़ एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट. सो ई ए सी. देन नेक्स्ट और कोई ट्राइंगल जिसमें क्यू एक्सटीरियर आ रहा है, यस, दिस ट्राइंगल, ट्राइंगल ए बी सी. इसके बाहर है आपका क्यू. देन इसके बाद और कोई ट्राइंगल हमारे पास जिसमें क्यू एक्सटीरियर आ रहा है, यस, वन मोर ट्राइंगल वी आर हैविंग, दैट इज ट्राइंगल ए सी एफ, दिस ट्राइंगल. सो दीज आर द ट्राइंगल्स जिसके एक्सटीरियर में कौन है, क्यू. वन मोर ट्राइंगल वी आर हैविंग, आई गॉट वन मोर ट्राइंगल सी, दिस ट्राइंगल. सो दिस इज द ट्राइंगल. आई एम गोइंग टू राइट इट्स नेम, triangle DEA. So here we are having all the triangles in which Q is an exterior point. I hope you have understand all the concepts of triangle that we have seen in this video, as well as all the concepts and the questions that we are having in exercise 4.4. Thank you for watching the video.